Now.
I'll get it out again.
Introducing the Mini-Fold Powered Ramp, the innovative, affordable access solution for minivans from Roll-A-Ramp. The Mini-Fold supports an amazing 1,000 pounds and is very lightweight since it's made from aircraft-quality anodized aluminum. No conversions are required with the Mini-Fold. There is no need to spend thousands of dollars for a lowered floor conversion or up to $50,000 for a conversion van. The exciting thing is you can use your existing van or purchase a standard van and install the Mini-Fold automatic ramp. It also qualifies for most manufacturers' $1,000 mobility rebate, now available on new vehicles. There are no alterations or modifications involved. What if you change vehicles? No problem. Simply have the Mini-Fold installed in your new van. But check with your dealer before purchasing to assure compatibility. The Mini-Fold is also available in a manually operated bifold system. Simply lower the bottom portion of the ramp and let the wheels rest on the ground. This model can also be removed from the vehicle, allowing the ramp to be used at additional locations and in unique situations. And to ease your mind, you will never be stranded because the Mini-Fold features a fail-safe override for manual operation in case of power loss. The Mini-Fold Powered Ramp, the innovative, affordable access solution for minivans from Roll-A-Ramp.